Here's a new 2022 Genesis G70. Sometimes the boldest statements don't require words. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, memory exterior door mirror settings, hands-free liftgate, automatic transmission, automatic with driver control suspension management, streaming audio, dual zone climate control, sport suspension, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and twin-turbo V6 engine. For Genesis, luxury is about more than just comfort. It's about performance, it's about versatility, and it's about safety too. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.